Hi there, everyone. Okay, so we're all the way to day 7 on our Jenny's countdown to Christmas. So let's see what's inside this bag. Okay, it's that time. Let's open up day 7 and see what I got in this countdown to Christmas from Missouri Star Quilt Company. Okay, always comes in handy. Some batting seam tape. Okay, so this is fusible seam tape for joining scrap pieces of batting. So I join batting all the time. I don't like, just leaving all that batting scraps from when you trim down quilts to just throw away. So if I have enough of it, I always piece them together. And what I usually do is use a zigzag strip stitch to join them. And it can take a lot of work because you got to straighten up your batting and do all that and then sew and use up thread. So I'm wondering if this is something that might be you're still going to have to square up your batting and everything like that, but might be easier than sewing it with the zigzag stitch. So I'm excited to give this a try. Anything that helps me save my batting and feel like I'm not being wasteful and can help me get more quilts done is always welcome in my book. So I did not get it correct, but I was kind of close that it was one of those, something to use on fabric that's wound up in a in like a spool type thing. So not exactly right, but I was close. So another great thing that I can use in my sewing room. It sounded like someone was coming in the room, but it wasn't. Okay, so day 8 is tomorrow. So if you'd like to see what's in this box, be sure to subscribe if you aren't already subscribed to my channel. I would love to have you here. And this, I'm pretty confident to say, is a box. And for this one, I have no clue what it might be. The only thing I can guess is since we've been given a coaster, the cute little button coaster from the other day, maybe it's like a mug or something to put on the coaster. I don't really know what else would come in a box. I know a lot of things that could come in a box, but it's just hard to guess what it might be sewing related. So I don't know. My guess is going to be a mug, but oftentimes boxes for mugs have like an opening on one side so you can see the mug inside. So I'm probably wrong, but that's going to be my best guess because it is a solid box all the way around. So another great day from Missouri Star Quilt Company's box, Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. We're only on day 7, so there's so many more things to open. Just to give an update on the pricing, I did look up the button on their website, and they sell them typically, it looks like in packs of 4, and the pack of 4 is $20. So I would guess this would be valued around 5 if I'm doing math correctly. So the box total would be up to $58 so far, up to bag 6. So I've never purchased the batting seam tape before, so I don't know the price on this, but as always, I will try to look this up and give an updated price, and there'll also be a link to this one or something similar in the comments or in the description of this video. So be sure to come see me tomorrow, and until next time, I would like to wish you all a Merry Holiday. I hope you're having a great season so far. Bye!